Good evening, everyone. Back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, March the 23rd, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will do, and 2 of those I've already solved. The 3-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The binary with 3 stars. And the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. It's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 8241. 8241. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 There one. And now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Oh, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Well, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And between the 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Correct in 4 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, And we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.